Hi guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I know this is a really awkward view, but it's another box from the Happy Planner. I have no idea what's in here. I haven't even looked at the other squad's unboxing, so I'm really excited to show you guys what's in here. All right, let's get started. This is the second box from the Happy Planner, and then here it says fall in love with today. So let's go ahead and open that up. Oh, how cute. I'm not normally a Valentine's Day fan, but I do love a good box from the Happy Planner. Okay, so, I never open these neatly. I'm so sorry. So here you have a Valentine's box. Do all things with love. So with this one, in this box, you'll find romantic florals, happy hearts, and accessories to plan a life full of love. So you will get a classic notebook, metal classic discs. I am so excited for those. Washi tape, sticker sheets, and a silicone pouch. So excited for this one. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna grab the, oh, I love the feel of that. Love the feel of that. And then just, I didn't get a silicone pouch last year. It was one of the things, because my box was late, I didn't end up ever getting one. I'm so happy with this, and I don't normally love things covered in hearts, but sorry, I keep running my fingers over it because it's so soft. And then let's move that to the side. And you've got the classic red discs. I don't want to take them out yet, but like, look at how shiny they are. Beautiful. And they do have the red, or the heart inside. And then the washi tape. I love that floral one. I love this heart one too. I love them all. More washi to add to my collection, because I've been using washi a lot recently. And then the notebook. So you've got kind of peach discs here, and then it says do all things with love, and it is just actually a dotted lined notebook. So as you can see there, dotted lines, and love the cover. Love the cover. So it is just a notebook, and it doesn't scream Valentine's Day to me. It just screams like it's for somebody who loves the colors red and black, and you know. And then the last thing, which is all the way at the, sorry guys, bottom here. Oh, it's a little sticker book. So let's open that up. Okay, so this Love Life sticker book, how cute. Oh, look at that, like shiny, shiny red foil. And those red roses. Not normally my style. I'm not a red rose person. Like, I love florals, but this isn't necessarily my style. Ooh, and then hearts. These are cute, like the little mailboxes. How adorable. Then the XO, and then those envelopes. Fall in love with today. There's beauty all around. How cute. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous box. I'm so thankful to the Happy Planner for sending me this Valentine's Day box. This will be available for purchase on the Happy Planner website on Sunday, February 7th. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Thank you.